NYX haul video and I'm really excited about this one. So NYX officially launched in India on Nykaa.com on the 8th of July and I just wanted to get my hands on these products so badly. So I woke up early in the morning and I placed my order and I really wanted to try all of these out and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So if you want to see what products I bought from NYX, then please keep on watching. So let's get started with the first product, and this is actually the thing that I really wanted the most, and this is NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and this is what it looks like. I've heard great reviews about this palette, and this palette is also comparable to Anastasia's the highlight and contour palette that's there. That's why I really wanted to try this out because this is extremely affordable as compared to that one. So this is around 2,000 bucks. Obviously I'll link the prices down below as well so you can check it out for yourselves. So this is what the palette looks like up close. So as you can see, this has 8 shades in them and the colors are really suitable for Indian skin tones. That's why I absolutely love this one. So as you can see, the top row has all the highlighting shades and the bottom row has all the contouring shades, and I absolutely love this palette. I'm just going to swatch it for you guys so you all can see the pigmentation. So these shades, as you can see, they have great pigmentation and they're very smooth as well. So that's why I absolutely love this palette and I'm so glad I got it. So this was the first product and I'm really pleased with the quality of this product, and a detailed review will be available on my blog that's there, which is www.bestofbeauty29.com, and I'm definitely going to try all of these products out and let you guys know my thoughts on it. So definitely check that out. So the next one is this NYX Color Correcting Concealer Palette, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this has all the color correcting shades. So yellow, then this purple kind of a shade, then you have green, then you have those colors, peach color and an orangish color which you can use for covering up your dark circles. And I really wanted to try this out now that I'm doing makeover, so that's why I picked this one up, and this is what it looks like up close. So these are the colors that you get. So now I'm going to talk to you about the last palette that I got, and this is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is in the shade Warm Neutrals, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this has gorgeous neutral shades in it, and the moment I saw this on the website, I'm like, I really need to get my hands on this product because every girl loves neutral eyeshadows, right? And this is really travel friendly as well because this is very small in size and it's really cute and it has all the neutral shades you require. So this is what the palette looks like up close. This has 9 matte shades and 7 shimmer shades. So it has a nice combination of colors. I just wish that it had a nice black shade as well, but never mind. I'm just going to swatch these shades on my hands so you all can see the pigmentation and the quality of these eyeshadows. This is what the shades look like, and yeah, I really like this palette. So the next one is this NYX HD Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent, I think, and this is what the powder looks like. So as you can see, this is just a white translucent powder. This is great for setting your makeup in place and under eyes as well. So that's why I picked this one up. So this is what it looks like. So the next one is a concealer, and this is NYX HD Concealer, and this is in the shade CW05, and this is what it looks like. I've heard great reviews about this one as well, so I wanted to try another concealer, and I'm just going to swatch it on my hand so you all can see. So this is what the concealer looks like. Now obviously I can't use this for covering up my dark circles because this is too light for my skin tone, but I use this for highlighting purposes and it works really well. So yeah, you should give this one a go as well. The next is NYX Eyeshadow Base, and this is in the skin tone version, so they have a white one as well. I picked this one up. So as you can see, this will work really well with Indian skin tone, and yeah, I'm really excited to try this out because I don't have any eyeshadow base till now. I just use my concealer, so I wanted to give this a go, so that the eyeshadows stand out even more and they stay on for a really long time. So yeah, that's why I purchased this one. Obviously I had to purchase lip products as well because NYX is also known for their lip products. So I didn't get their NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams because I have a ton of lip creams from Miss Clay and they are almost the same, so that's why I didn't get them, and the shades that I wanted were sold out. So I picked these two up, and this is NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is what it looks like. And the second one is NYX Butter Gloss, and this is what that one looks like. I'm just going to swatch these shades. So the first one is this one, which is the NYX Suede Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Tea and Cookies. This is a nice pink purpley color, and this is what it looks like. It's a very Barbie pink kind of a color. And yeah, this is the swatch of it on my hand, so it's really bright. I actually wanted some other color, but then that was sold out, so I picked this one up because I just wanted to try the formula of these, you know, lip creams that are there. So yeah. So the next one is NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline or Praline. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. So this is actually a gloss, and this is a really nice brown nude color. And yeah, this is what that one looks like. It's a really pretty color. And this is the packaging that you get with it. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked all of these products, and I'm definitely gonna try all of these products out and give you a detailed review. So make sure you check out www.bestofbeauty29.com. That's my blog, and I'm gonna review all of these products in detail over there. So make sure you check that out. Also, let me know in the comments down below which are your favorite NYX products, because I would love to try those out. And if you like this video, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Also, as you guys know that I've started a new series on my channel which is called as the Makeup Makeover series, where I do your makeover, and this is really exciting. So if you want a makeover from me, what you have to do is just click on the link which is mentioned in the description box below, and then fill up a form, and you'll be registered for the makeover, and then you'll get a chance to actually get a makeover from me. And this is only limited to the people in Mumbai because I live in Mumbai, so really sorry about that. So make sure you do that. And also with the people who have registered for the makeovers, I'm going to get back to you soon. So make sure you check your email IDs, because I'm going to reply to you on your email. So make sure you do that. Also make sure you follow me on my social media, that is Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The handle is bestofbeauty29. Also make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate it. Right now we are at 1075. And soon we are going to reach 2000 as well. And as soon as we reach 2000, I'm going to do a huge giveaway, and there are going to be 2 winners. So make sure you do that. Tell your friends to subscribe as well. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you.